Hindustan Unilever has been the undisputed market leader for decades. For instance, beauty and well-being holds an enviable market share of more than 45% in the category. This has historically allowed us to operate with economies of scale, making the entire system cost-effective, highly distributed and designed for large-scale operations. In recent times, new age channels like e-com, chemist and beauty are dominating the growth in the category. In fact, these new age channels are projected to grow 5 times faster compared to traditional channels. This growth opportunity has resulted in a large number of players entering the category via these new age channels, posing a threat to our market share. In HUL context also, the increasing contribution of these channels is significantly changing the landscape of the business. The business model of these new age channels is driven by frequent innovations and wide assortment of portfolio. This results in the complexity of managing a large number of small packs. 80% of sales is gained by 3 times the number of packs compared to traditional channels. We undertook the challenge of managing smalls by not making gradual changes to the existing system, but creating an ecosystem which is exclusively designed for smalls. The new SC model pressure tested every node of supply chain for high growth, high volatility, small size portfolio to unlock future growth through supply chain for smalls. The design for supply chain for smalls is best explained through the example of Novology, which is BMW's first foray into the derma space. The traditional ways of manufacturing call for a complete overhaul to cater to the requirements of new age channels. The Nano Factory helped us reduce batch sizes up to 90%, improving freshness and reducing business waste. This concept of nano was similarly replicated across all other pillars of supply chain. To mirror the reduced batch sizes in manufacturing, the MOQs for key RPM was reduced drastically. This was achieved through cutting-edge solutions like digital printing, breaking bulk at the factory, and forging innovative supplier partnerships. We also overhauled the way we forecasted demand for the new age channels. The forecasting method shifted to secondary offtakes instead of primary sales. At the same time, the frequency of baseline correction was improved to achieve real-time demand capture. The supply planning processes were revisited to match the pace of the new system. No-touch production planning replaced traditional weekly planning to ensure 100% pack coverage in every cycle. Also, the new planning processes, the plans are altered every day basis, offtakes reducing traditional frozen window of 2 weeks to 0. There were major changes done in how we serve our customers. The inventory is aggregated to one national location instead of proliferation across depots. The customers are flexi-serviced, with smalls being serviced from the aggregated location while they continue to receive regular portfolio from the mapped parent depot. The logistics cycle for smalls was also shortened by serving customers directly, resulting in high availability and low business waste. Supply chain for smalls will revolutionize the way we operate across the various nodes of supply chain. We thus aim to deliver an end-to-end value chain to unlock opportunities for future growth.